Hey, Old Man Reviews here, going over my list of Wii games, some of which I will be playing and uploading. The Force Unleashed, which it's kind of fun but kind of repetitive. It does not have the same style or value as the Jedi Knight games, but it works. Um, Ultimate Alliance 2. Again, the gameplay was a little too long. Multiple levels with lots of repeats. It was fun to go through once, but you probably won't be seeing a review of that. The N, or not the N64, but the Wii GoldenEye reboot with Daniel Craig doing the voice. Must have been in his contract, despite the fact that the movie makes use of Pierce. Um, Decent game, a little too elaborate in some points, but not bad. Sports Resort, nice fun, comes with the system. And sports, same thing with the tennis and that. Scanning down further. Star Wars Lego 3, The Clone Wars. It was interesting, had a lot to do with the cartoon series, which I never really got into. But an interesting game to go through. Indiana Jones 2, the Lego version. It was okay. A few too many side things to do. I'd rather just get to it. If you ever played the Xbox version of Spider-Man 2, kind of like that. The complete saga for Lego. It's fun to play if you're a fan. I know a lot of people play it and like it. I don't know how much of fans they are. The Force Unleashed 2, double lightsaber wield. It's a fun playthrough game. And the Wii Fit Plus, also a fun one to play. And the Incredible Hulk. Few too many side missions and things like that. And the maps feel like they were taken from Spider-Man 2, which I played on Xbox. And you're talking a generation behind system. So the graphics should have been much, much better than what they were. Alright, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you.